So the big question is this: how do investors like us who trade options and manage our own money generate income regardless of where the stock market goes, and do it all in a way that lets us make time for the people and things we love, and yet still build wealth and remain profitable? That's the question, and this podcast will give you the answer. I'm your host, Kirk Duplessis, and you're listening to The Daily Call from Option Alpha. Hey everyone, this is Kirk here again at Option Alpha. Welcome back to The Daily Call. Today we're going to answer the question, what is capital appreciation? So this is more of a basic concept, but I thought it was interesting to just add it in here because we did get a question on this from a user who's just wondering, what's the difference between investing for income and investing for capital appreciation? So capital appreciation is nothing more than just the rise in price due to the market or the underlying factors of that security. So this could mean that the general market is rising, so most stocks are rising with the market, or that a particular company or ETF is doing well or something well is happening in that sector or industry. And so that causes a rise in price as well. So that's one of the ways that you can obviously make money as an investor and stock and equities trader is just to play the rise in capital appreciation. Now, conceivably, most people and most investors in the entire investing universe, I'd say 98, 99% of them, this is the only way that they know. There's a one directional road to making money, and it's a rise in the stock or ETF or index price of whatever they're investing in. Obviously, we know that there's another path, and that is that you can generate income from selling options. You can generate income from dividends or from covered calls. You can play the decline in capital, so not capital appreciation, but capital decline, where you can profit from a decline in an underlying security. So I think it's an interesting concept because it's a one-directional street that most people think you have to travel down, but there's actually many different paths to generating income. So capital appreciation is one way. That's how most people play it, but it's not the only way. So hopefully this helps out. As always, if you have any questions, let me know. And until next time, happy trading. Thanks for joining us on The Daily Call. Be sure to subscribe right now for more daily options trading ideas, strategies, and tactics to help you learn how to place smarter, more profitable trades. And if you like what we're doing, don't forget to give us a rating and a review so we can continue to bring you the best daily content possible. We'll see you again tomorrow, right here on The Daily Call from OptionAlpha.com.